The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 88. Mahāmati once more asked the Buddha, Bhagavan, according to what the Bhagavan has said, by carrying out the 6 paramitas, one attains enlightenment, but which 6? The Buddha told Mahāmati, there are 3 different kinds of paramitas: mundane, metaphysical, and transcendent. Mahāmati, as for the mundane paramitas, because those who are attached to a self and what belongs to a self cling to dualities, they carry out the paramita of charity in order to enjoy the form, sound, smell, taste, and touch of other states of existence. And they do the same in regard to morality, forbearance, vigor, meditation, and wisdom for the sake of worldly powers or rebirth in the heavens of Brahma. Mahāmati, as for the metaphysical paramitas, because Shravakas and Pratyeka Buddhas become attached to nirvana, they practice the 6 paramitas in order to enjoy the bliss of nirvana for themselves. Mahāmati, as for the transcendent paramitas, because those who realize that the projections to which they are attached are nothing but perceptions of their own mind, and that their own mind is thereby divided, they do not give rise to projections or become attached to other states of existence. Not letting their mind become attached to material appearances, they engage in the transcendent practice of the paramita of charity for the happiness of all beings. Not giving rise to restrictions regarding the projection of objective conditions, this is the paramita of morality. Not giving rise to the projection of patience while knowing what grasps and what is grasped, this is the paramita of forbearance. Not giving rise to the projection of practice while practicing with zeal during the 3 periods of the night, this is the paramita of vigor. Not becoming attached to the nirvana of Shravakas when projections cease, this is the paramita of meditation. And examining the non-existence of the projections of one's mind with insight without falling into dualities, and transforming one's karmic body into an indestructible one, and reaching the realm of the personal realization of Buddha knowledge, this is the paramita of wisdom.